Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Friday, May 17th, 2024. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start as usual, let me find it, with this chart here. This really is the longer term view. In other words, the into June trade, into summer trade. 851.48, a formation we settled above about 2 weeks ago, is our base of longer term support. Above which 1162.60 remains a 2 to 3 month or sooner objective. And that is really sort of it in a nutshell. Now, preceding that, we also, and I'm going to work downside now. Well, actually, let me find this chart here. We have this 885.73 that precedes 851.48. Now, this area widens over time, and the way this is going to look as we spill into next week is you're still going to have 885.73 and 851.48 rising daily, descending daily, and we will have other levels inside here. But it will really be, the dynamic will be buying pullbacks as we move through the rest of May at 885.73, and we're really not playing the short side into June unless we close below 851.48. And I'll cover all that in just a moment. But for the day itself, we've got 922.20 still. That is a session containment level. And it is in reach today if we break Thursday's low. Thursday's low is 941.03. And I'm heightening that as an intraday pivot point because, you know, we put out a new high following the low in April, and we closed negative on the day. I do think if we break or open below 941.03, 922.20 is in reach, is likely today, where we can place a daily low, possibly come off of here into early next week. Upside today, 974 is the March high. And if we happen, and it can contain intraday buying, by the way, and if we push through 974 even, 996.96 in reach. 996.96 has been considered a 1 to 2 week target following the settlement 2 weeks ago above the 851.48 formation. But I'll also remind you that our longer-term objective is 1162.60 as a 2 to 3 month target. Now, I don't see this today, but if by the end of next week we happen to close above 996.96, we could actually reach 1162.60 and rising within about 3 to 5 weeks. But once again, having closed above 851.48, this descending flag at the top of an all-time high does set up 1162.60 as a 2 to 3 month target. Make that within 3 to 5 weeks of a settlement above 996.96. So back to, really the day itself. And I'm just mentioning that we've got 941.03, that is yesterday's low. If we break it, 922.20 is likely today where a daily low can be placed. And if we close today below 922.20, we should see this 885.73 channel bottom Monday, Tuesday of next week, where we can bottom out through next week and round back up from here. And we'll just take it one day at a time from there. Only if we close below 885.73 would I expect the more significant 851.48 within 1 to 2 days, where we could bottom out through June, and once again above which anticipating 1162.60 as a 2 to 3 month target. I will mention, and do we show it? I don't think we really show it today. No, we really don't. I was going to point out what the objective would be below 851.48, and that is a descending channel bottom that's presently in the 720s and dropping, but there's no need to go through all that right now because we're not going to close below 851.48 today. Back to this image here, and what else? Let me see what else we have. And this here, there, that's what I'm really looking for. Once again, 922.20 can contain session weakness, and I think 3 to 5 day swing traders may actually buy 922.20 in anticipation of 996.96, but I wouldn't fault you for waiting for 885.73 as a 3 to 5 day buy opportunity. This is also 885.73, a 2 to 3 week buy opportunity where we could round back up beyond that 974 high and to channel resistance, which would be a little different than what we find today, at 996.96. Is there anything else to say? I don't think so. We've got intraday pivot points at 941.03 and 974 even. And if we push through 974 even, 996.96 in reach today, that would be a high volatility day. 996.96 well equipped to contain daily buying pressures, possibly through next week. So 996.96 can be considered not only a day trade level, but also kind of a 3 to 5 day swing trade level, where from here we can fall back to channel support over the following 3 to 5 days. It would be a settlement above 996.96 that would accelerate our 1162.60 2 to 3 month target and narrow that to within 3 to 5 weeks. Is there anything else to say? I think I've covered it all. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's NVIDIA report. You have a great weekend.